Assalamu alaikum. In this quick tip, we are going to look on how to convert a decimal number to an integer using JavaScript. So now we are in browser console. Let's create our number variable. Okay, now we create our decimal number variable. So we are going to use a prefix method. Prefix method is used to format a number using fixed point notation. So now let's try it. Prefix. So create parentheses, close parentheses. So now you see our decimal number changed to integer. But if you take a look, you see the integer is now a string, not a number. So how can we convert it into an integer? So to convert it into an integer, we have to use a parse plot method. It is a built-in Java. So now let's try it. Parse plot, open parentheses, then num.prefix, open and close parentheses. Now you see we convert our integer into a number, not a string. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next quick tip tutorial.